Good afternoon. Every day, cities around the world suffer from traffic congestion caused by sudden road accidents. When an accident happens, traffic lights continue operating in normal mode. They are not aware of the situation and they do not adapt. As a result, traffic builds up rapidly. Emergency vehicles get delayed. Fuel consumption increases and carbon emissions rise. Traditional traffic systems rely on fixed cameras or manual operator control, which is often slow and inefficient. Cities need a faster and more adaptive solution. That is why we created AeroSignal. AeroSignal is an AI-powered autonomous drone system designed to detect accidents in real time and dynamically adjust traffic lights. The drone patrols high-risk intersections using a high-resolution camera and computer vision algorithms. When an accident is detected, the system analyzes traffic density and congestion patterns. It then sends optimized signal timing instructions to smart traffic light controllers through secure wireless communication. This allows traffic lights to automatically create green corridors and reduce congestion around the affected area. Unlike traditional systems, AeroSignal is mobile. It can be deployed rapidly without major infrastructure upgrades. It provides real-time aerial visibility and adaptive traffic control. Our system integrates several key technologies. The drone includes a high-definition camera and AI-based accident detection using modern computer vision models. The data is processed either in the cloud or at the edge. Secure LTE or 5G communication ensures fast data transmission. The system connects to traffic light controllers through standardized APIs. We have developed a minimum viable product that includes drone simulation, AI accident detection software, an Arduino-based traffic light prototype, and a web dashboard for monitoring traffic adjustments. The prototype demonstrates automatic signal changes after detecting a simulated accident. The global smart traffic management market is growing rapidly, exceeding $25 billion. Governments are investing heavily in smart city infrastructure and intelligent transportation systems. Our revenue model includes hardware sales, annual AI software subscriptions, and maintenance and analytics services for municipalities. AeroSignal offers significant advantages. It reduces congestion, improves emergency response time, lowers fuel waste, and decreases carbon emissions. It is scalable, flexible, and cost-efficient compared to traditional traffic infrastructure upgrades. Our team combines expertise in drone engineering, artificial intelligence development, and smart city business strategy. Together, we aim to build a safer and more efficient urban transportation ecosystem. AeroSignal is not just a drone. It is an intelligent aerial traffic management system designed for the cities of the future. Thank you.